2022 Nissan Sentra SV with a technology package. This one have almost 36,000 miles, still under factory warranty, and it's loaded with a lot of options, and it's in a beautiful black color and a peanut butter or tan color leather interior. This is the SV, so it's the upper level option series with this beautiful color tan leather interior and the sunroof and the technology features. Let's get it started. It's the push stop system. Okay. Okay, and it shows which seats are occupied, which ones not. It has adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning system, and the automatic stopping brakes, and it has all the functions, technology package, and let's see, and with Apple CarPlay and reverse camera and the warning, radar warnings, and automatic climate control, USB-C, USB to connection aux, and heated front seats and the heated steering wheel, and automatic dim mirror and sunroof. This is a well-equipped 2022 Nissan Sentra with less than 36,000 miles, still under factory warranty and powertrain warranty for until 60 or 50,000 miles on lowmilecars.com.